What's up, guys? Welcome back to my Devlog, and in this episode I'm going to show you what I worked on this week. So as you know, I've been porting my game engine from C++ to Swift. Most of it is complete, but not everything. The physics system as of now is very basic, so I decided to improve it. Now, so what did I work on? Well, basically what I did, and I'm going to show you with my code, is that I, let me go to the range code. Okay, so here, the game engine came with the Euler integration. I decided to implement that numerical integration because it's fairly simple, but as you know, it's not perfect. So what I did on Monday, actually, I started working on implementing a more precise integrator, such as the Roach-Kuda integration, which again gives a better approximation to the problem of solving the equation of motion that you have to do whenever you are working with the physics system. So I did that. The other thing that I did is that I implemented basically torque. I only had forces being applied to an object, but not moments, right? Like not a torque applied to an object. And what I did next is, obviously, I need to somehow apply a drag to my system, right? Because if I just apply forces and torque, then my models will just keep moving on forever. So I needed to not slow them down, but add a friction. And I did that by implementing an accumulation drag force that will eventually slow things down. So here it is, and I'm going to show you a quick demo. So in this demo right now that I'm going to show you, I'm actually applying a force and applying a moment. So let me go there to the main function so that you can see. So whenever I apply, actually, whenever I press the key A, D, W, S, D, right? Whenever I press the WASD keys, you will see that I apply a force to my model, right? In this case is the ball, called the player, and I apply a moment. So you're gonna see it moving and you're gonna see it rotating. All right. So now I'm gonna again press the keys, and you're gonna see that the ball is going to rotate properly. All right. So I can go back. And in here, with all that I'm doing, I'm actually applying a force and applying a moment. So you can see how the ball starts to rotate nicely. So it's looking good, right? There are some issues that I have to fix. This is not ready yet, but I wanted to show you. I wanted to give you a quick update so that you know where I'm at. And you can see also the drag being applied here. So if I press A and I want to let it go, you will see how it slows down. That doesn't look quite real, so I have to fix that too. Yeah, I have to fix that. The point is that I'm working hard on on the engine, and so hopefully I should have this ready for people to play with. And that is it, guys. I hope you like this, and I'll see you next time.